I've got a Akrapovic exhaust for the Monkey. Just was very curious to see how it will compare to my custom one, and I got the one which is with the optional headers, so it will be a fair comparison, because they do one that can go from the original exhaust after the cat, and then it goes and joins with their own link pipe. That's the Akra. It uses the original heat shield. There's an optional carbon fiber heat shield with it, and it's stainless steel. It's not titanium. They don't do a titanium version like they had for the Grom. Let's listen to her. Pretty loud, huh? And not really sure about the build quality. I mean, this is, I think, what they call a sound box to reduce the volume or the sound level. I just don't like the look of it, man. I'm sorry. Akrapovic, I think this time it's a no-no from me. I mean, the build quality on that is really nice. I'm not sure why there is two of them, a dual exhaust, but it's just too loud, man. There's no quality to the sound. It's just as if it is an open system. And if I give you a comparison to my custom one, which is here, just listen to this. And then on the move, if we are moving, this is the Akra. And this is the custom one. Now, I went through so many alterations in order to get that sound quality, but I've always been an Akra man. I've got Akrapovic on my KTM, which I love. I've got Akrapovic headers on my S1000R, which I have the Akrapovic exhaust for it as well, but I elected to put a Austrian Racing exhaust on it. And I had an Akra on the Grom. But in terms of the Monkey, Akrapovic, you let the ball down. I'm not convinced. Obviously, I'm gonna stick with my custom one. I love that one. But I was just intrigued. Now, and that is my own opinion. It's what I like. Some of you like the custom one. Some of you don't like it. Some of you would love the Akrapovic, some of you won't like it, but that's my own opinion and what I like. See it from the back. People are interested. Here we go. It's really close to the shocks, but it's not touching, but really close.